Are you ready to transform YouTube from just a video platform into your ultimate real estate lead generating machine? First, brainstorm video content ideas that your audience will love. Create engaging property tours showcasing key features and neighborhood highlights. Record client testimonials to build trust, and share market updates. Establish yourself as a local expert. Next, optimize your YouTube channel for maximum visibility. Craft a compelling channel banner and profile picture. Use relevant keywords in your channel description, video titles, and tags to help people find your videos. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions to spark conversations and build a community. Integrate YouTube with your overall real estate strategy. Embed videos on your website and share them on social media platforms. Track your results using YouTube Analytics, understand which videos perform best, and adjust your strategy accordingly. So, start creating content, optimizing your channel, engaging with your audience, and watch those real estate leads roll in.